Hello YouTubers, my name is Carlos and today I'm doing a review of an app that allows you to record your home screen. It's for iOS devices, so it's for iPhones and iPads. The app is called Record It. Okay, let's go to the App Store and let's go ahead and search for it. Record It. Okay, search. And it's that one right there, Record It. Of course, for me it says open because I already have it. On your end, it should say get or download. The app, it's free, although the free version has some restrictions. One is that it actually restricts you of how long you can make your videos. The other thing is that it has some ads in the application itself. Okay, but like I said, other than that, it's a great app and it's one of the better out there. This is one of the better ones out there. So let me go ahead and open the app. Record it, and when you open it, it comes up to this screen record window, and it has a two-step video how to enable it and how to implement it in your phone. Pretty easy to do. In the middle, it has recordings, so it has the clips and recordings that you have made. At the end, settings. Like I said, it's pretty nice, easy interface, easy to use. Now, what this app doesn't do is it doesn't allow you to actually record your home screen and your camera at the same time, meaning you can't really comment or have your face while you're recording on the screen. There's a few workarounds about that, how to do that, and one of them is if your phone was jailbroken, you can actually go into Cydia and download the applications that allow you to record your home screen and your face at the same time, so people can see your reactions. Another way to do it is with the two devices. They don't have to be jailbroken. One of them could be iPhone and iPad. Another one could be an iPhone and your Mac OS, your desktop or laptop. But there's a lot of steps and hoops and it's very confusing. And I really wanted just an app that allows me to record my home screen to tutorials. Now Record It has this neat feature that allows you to actually activate your camera and record your comments afterwards, meaning after you have recorded your video, you can add that on top of it at the end. I already have a clip here. For example, I already have a clip where I muted my mic and I was playing a game. Now on the lower left side, there's a little square face that says react, and you can select that and it actually enables the camera and it has the clip that I made earlier in the background or in the back. Now there's on the lower right side, there's a little window that allows you to select where do you want to place your camera. So in this case, I want to do bottom right, but you can do bottom left, bottom right, top left. So I'm going to go bottom right, okay? I'm going to go ahead and tap, and it says ready, and it's going to start recording my comments on top of the video that I made earlier. Again, this video was muted, but you can still hear the sounds of the game. So by muting your mic, you just mute your sounds around you, but it doesn't mute the game itself. Also, I know it looks kind of funky, my face straight up and the game's a little sideways, the little game. But once you finish recording your comments on top of it, then it'll fix it. It'll look right, okay? This is just for those hardcore gamers that like to have that one-on-one interaction with the viewers. And so the viewers can actually see the reactions of the guy who's making the video and playing the game. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this recording, and I'm gonna be quiet for a minute to allow you to see how it looks. Comments on top of the video that I made earlier. Again, this video was muted, but you can still hear the sounds of the game. So by muting your mic, you just mute your sounds around you. So I'm gonna delete this because I don't really need it, but that's how it should look. So I'm gonna discard that. Okay, so again, you can just create your videos, your blogs, or your games, and then at the end add your comments with your face on it. The app, again, it's called Record It. It's a nice little app, easy to use. Okay. Please, if you have any questions, comment down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, this is your friend Carlos. See you guys next time. Bye.